Find or read reviews that people are talking about BAEASU 3-channel, 2.5K dashcam, dash camera for cars. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 3-channel front and side rear dashcam. The BAEASU dashcam is a triple-channel dashcam with 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees inside camera and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera, which can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing high-quality video at 2.5K that allows you to see a clearer image at any angle without any blurring. Record more evidence for insurance disputes. Perfect for family trips, Uber/Lyft drivers. 2.5K QHD dash camera for cars. Our J07 car dashcam provides a true 2560x1440p resolution front cam, which can seamlessly record up to 2.5K QHD video, ensuring crystal clear visibility of license plates and road signs. And the rear camera with its convenient 20 feet extension cable makes it is suitable for various vehicles such as cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks. 4IR cabin light and clearer night vision. Thanks to 6-glass lens, big aperture, and night vision technology, the J07 car camera performs well in color precision and clarity whether day or night. 4IR light of the dashcam face to the cabin, accurately capture clear footage of the driver and passengers even when the cabin is under low light conditions or completely dark. Ideal for ride-share drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi. Built-in G-sensor and loop recording. This triple dash cam front and inside can automatically overwrite the oldest videos with the latest videos even if the insert memory card reaches its max storage to achieve seamless loop recording. The built-in G-sensor can lock and save important footage when collision happens during driving and parking and will not be overwritten. 24 hours parking guard. The parking monitor of the car dashcam front and back will be automatically activated to record emergency videos upon detecting collisions, providing evidence in case of theft or accidents while parked. To achieve this parking mode function, an extra car accessory ACC hardwire kit is required, not included in the package. The time-lapse recording keeps recording continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate. Provides 24 hours protection to your cars. Built-in lithium battery and support 128G storage. The dual dashcam comes with a 230 mAh built-in battery, which allows it can continue to record video for about 15 to 20 minutes in a fully charged state, and it is convenient that you can view your video anytime anywhere without connecting power source. In addition, our dashcam inside freely comes with 32 GB SD card, which is inserted into dashcam, and it supports max up to 128 GB memory card, allowing you to save more driving memory. Easy installation and operation. User-friendly operation interface and illustrated instruction make the car dash camera very easy for every beginner to install and use. We provide complete installation tools so that each user simply mount the 3-channel dash cameras on the windshield and fix the wires. That is a straightforward installation process. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.